Hi, and welcome to this demo of the Interfaze Z. Interfaze Z is an expansion card for your ZX Spectrum. During this demo, we will explore the features of this card and see it in action using a ZX Spectrum 48K. But first, let's take a look at the Interfaze Z features. This card is being actively developed, so you can redesign its behavior to suit your needs. This is possible because hardware and software design of the Interfaze Z is open source and available for anyone to modify. Wi-Fi can be used to stream video, as we will see later on this demo, or to control the ZX Spectrum, such as loading snapshots wirelessly or even connect your programs to the internet. The card also supports USB host, so you can connect USB peripherals to it, such as joysticks or gamepads. Interfaze Z will support loading and saving multiple formats, such as snapshot or tape files, or even raw audio data that you can record later to a cassette. Now, a quick overview of the hardware itself. On the card, you can find an Altera Intel Cyclone 4 FPGA and an ESP32 wireless microcontroller. The two are used in conjunction to provide a rich set of features of Interfaze Z. You can also find two user buttons, a reset button, a slot for a micro SD card, an USB debug/programming port, the power supplies, which are efficient switch mode for lower power consumption, the I/O adapters that interface to the edge connector of the ZX Spectrum, 3 user LEDs, 8 or 16 megabytes of RAM, the USB power and transceiver, the USB Type-A connector where you can connect joysticks or gamepads, and an expansion port that can be used for VGA output. Let's see it in action. Clicking on the menu button will bring up the main menu. Most of the Interfaze Z options will be present here. Let's choose the Load Snapshot entry. Now we can select a snapshot from the SD card to load onto the ZX Spectrum. You can move in and out of directories as you normally would on a PC. Now let's load it, and as you can see, it's almost instantaneous. The snapshot is now up and running. Let's now play a little bit to demonstrate other features of the Interfaze Z. Let's bring up the menu again, and let's save this game as a new snapshot. We will call it Demo 1. And let's go back to the game and lose a life. We can now restore our previous snapshot. Here's the Demo 1 snapshot we saved before. Let's load it. And now we are where we previously saved the game. As an alternative, one can use symbol shift plus the space key to enter the menu. Let's reset the ZX Spectrum now and bring up the menu again. Let's restore the snapshot we saved. And here we are. The VGA output can provide several video modes you can choose from. From full screen modes to widescreen correction modes to more classic TV modes, you can just select it from a menu. The current modes are now being expanded for you to enjoy. Old school users of ZX Spectrum actually enjoy watching the games loading. The Interfaze Z does not connect to the ear or mic sockets, but it can play in record tapes nonetheless. So let's try to load a popular game and see how it works. It should be possible for any type of audio recording to be replayed on the ZX Spectrum. Let's speed up a little bit. And the game is now loaded. Let's start the game. The Wi-Fi connectivity present on the Interfaze Z can be used for many purposes. One of them is the ability to stream the screen contents wirelessly to a receiver using the internet. As you can see, my laptop is now displaying the exact image you see on the screen. Any operation you can do physically on Interface Z can be done remotely via Wi-Fi. Let's now save a snapshot of this game. Let's call it Days. Let's reset and load the snapshot just to test if it works. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this demo. I also would like to leave a special thanks to the Load ZX Museum in Portugal for the support. Make sure you visit it next time you come to Portugal. If you're interested in making part of the Interface Z project, just drop me a note to interfacez@alve.com. See you soon!